Jacob with Super Chips back again with our 2020 Jeep JL Wrangler build. This week we're going to look into some horsepower upgrades. We are feverishly working on tuning support for that 2018 through 2020 2.0 liter turbocharged application. We're not quite there yet, but we're getting close. So to complement our tuning, some basic upgrades is always an intake and an exhaust. We've got something in store for the intake, but for the exhaust we reached out to our friends at Flowmaster and got this Force 2 axle back kit that should work great under our JL. This is a nice kit because it's got the dual exit that comes out under the bumper with this polished stainless tip, so it looks nice. And their Series 80 Delta Flow muffler is nice on this Jeep application because it gives you a nice moderate exhaust note on the outside of the Jeep with a mild tone inside, so you don't have that aggressive or obnoxious drone in the cab when you're cruising down the freeway. So this should install super easy with just the one clamp over the exhaust here. Couple of hangers, obviously. Flowmaster does include some instructions, which we don't really anticipate needing. This should be a pretty straightforward install once we get it up on the lift. So this should complement our tuning really well and help us get every little bit of horsepower we can out of that 2-liter turbocharged motor. So if you want to learn more about their applications and different products available for Jeep, you can check them out at flowmastermufflers.com. And if you want to learn more about our Jeep products, we've currently got our amped throttle boost module available for the 2.0 liter, and we are obviously working on tuning support for those as well. So check us out at superchips.com.